Hi everyone, I'm Michele from Storytime with Michele, and this is Bianca. And today we're exploring the activity cards from the Global Kids Activity Deck published by Barefoot Books, and we are traveling all the way to Guatemala. Do you know where Guatemala is?
It's in Central America.
That's right. It's in Central America. It's a small country just south of Mexico. So we have this card called Shed Your Troubles. The worry dolls from Guatemala. And in Guatemala, they have these dolls called muñecas quitapenas, which means dolls that take away your troubles or take away your worries. And children put them under their pillow at night because according to a Mayan legend, if you put it under your pillow, you will have your worries taken away by the dolls and you'll sleep peacefully. You'll need some paper, tape, some markers, or colored pencils if you don't have markers, a pair of scissors, some scraps of fabric, some yarn or string. We've got some very colorful yarn, and some glue. First, we're going to take our piece of paper and we're going to cut it into strips that are 2 inches wide. So I've gone ahead and marked this piece of paper with lines so that you can cut it out. You want to get started? Mm-hmm. Here we go. Now, each one of these strips of paper is going to be the body of your worry doll. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the narrow end and you're going to start rolling it up. So just roll it into a tight cylinder. And this is going to be your worry doll's body. Now when you get to the end, you're going to want to take a piece of tape or glue and seal the end so that it doesn't unroll. Now the third step is to take a piece of fabric scrap. I had an old sheet that we just cut up into pieces, and we're going to wrap it around our doll, and this is going to be our doll's clothing. Be sure to leave a space at the top with no fabric.
For the face.
That's right. That's where we're going to draw the face of our doll. So now our dolls have little dresses on, and we're going to take the yarn to make some hair, and we could tie some yarn around the waist. We could even give our doll some arms if we wanted to. Now I'm going to show you how to make some arms for your doll if you want to have arms. I take another scrap of fabric. I'm going to fold this one in half because it's kind of long, and then I'm going to roll it up just like I did my paper. Like this. And now these are going to be the arms. This is my doll, so I put it on the back. And now I'm going to take the yarn to attach it. So I'm going to make like a crisscross in the front and around. And then in the back, I'm going to tie a knot. My little worry doll needs some hair. So I'm going to get some yarn and stick it in, and you can either glue that or tape it in. Now, the last step is to draw the face of our doll. And there you have it, your very own worry doll. Now, do you know what you're going to do with your worry doll?
Mm-hmm. You're going to whisper your worries and put it under your pillow.
That's right. So take your worry doll to bed with you tonight. whisper your worries, and maybe you can think of 3 things that you're thankful or grateful for, and you can share them with your worry doll as well. Slip it under your pillow and have a restful, peaceful sleep. Well, thank you so much for joining us and for making a worry doll with us. And until next time, take care.
Bye.
Bye.